pump. Ah boy, good boy. So this is what I'm... Welcome back to Monk's View. Unless you're new to this channel, welcome. So today we're going to see a morning in my life with my dogs. So we're going to go for so we are going for a walk. So before the walk, there will be certain behaviors and obedience to reduce their excitement so that they can focus on me when I take them outside. This is what I do actually. So let's start and we shall have some fun. So I'm just going to change this position into a push-up position. Obviously I'm going to sneak back. So let's start the fun. So this is what I meant. This is the body weight push-up, and do not try this at home or anywhere else. This is how I play with my dogs, and this is not at all necessary to allow your dogs to climb on you, but I engage myself in various tricks and obedience which engages a dog with me, so I allow them to be free around me. And of course, if your dog nails are not trimmed, it will hurt for sure. I'm used to this, so I'm not against it. So yeah, let's have more fun. Mean by dog tricks, this is what I meant. Kala, jump. So this is what I meant. Kala, pump. Ah boy, good boy. So this is what I meant. Tall, back, tall, back, 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 back. Flex. Stand, sit. Tall. Back, back, back. Good boy. So this is what I meant. Dog tricks. And the basics, the routine, you should have seen this. This is kind of a focused heel thing. I think we should start with Sarah. Sarah, fuss. Fuss. So they just follow my left leg wherever I go with my speed or whatever it is. Magalchi, yeah, Kala, heel. Come on, heel, Baba. So, this is with my native dog, and this is the sighted of Tamil Nadu. Heel. Good boy, Kala. Ready? Come on, heel. This is all you need to have an excellent relationship with your dog. This is how I do it. Heel. Magalchi. Yeah, that's up. Free. Leash. So now we are going to go for a walk outside, and he is so eager that I should take him for a walk. Yet again, I will just play with this drive. His full focus is on me. Like he wants to satisfy my commands or fulfill my desire to perform certain breeds so that he can go out for a walk. So let's see what's going to happen right now. Back, 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 back. Flex. Stand. Sit. Bark. Give me that. Bark. Bark. Correct. Munch. So that was a delay, but yet. Now let's go for some fancy stuff, right? Front. So this is why they behave and listen inside my yard, like inside my house or whatever it is. Leash is taken away from the equation. So that's time for fun. Kala! Pada! Yeah. Pada! Kala! Good boy, good boy. So this is what it is. He knows he can run and have fun. He is so excited. Once I take them here, this is the place where they can be themselves. Sarah! I don't allow my dogs to play with a leash on or a collar on. It might be any kind of collar. So I make sure it's removed. Now they can be, oh, break. Now they can be wild again. They are domesticated dogs, but they can be wild again. Pop, 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 pop. Ah, cramp, cramp. So it took me like 4 times to recall him. So this is what it is. Even though this is ground, there's lots of distractions here. So it's not quite well as it was inside my house premises. So yeah, Kala! Pop! Holy fuck! So this is what it is. Yeah, Kala! Ready? Pop! This is all on. That's way off the target. Pop. Magalchi. Like I have a treat, the object in my hand, and now she's going to perform focus tail. Fush. Yeah, fush, fush. Yeah, fush, 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 fush. Magalchi. Kala. Pada. The same thing. Pa, fush, heel, Kala. Ready, Kala. Heel. Same thing. So this is the heel. Heel. Magalchi. Sarah. Fush. Push, push, yaga, good girl, good girl, good girl, Sarah, yaga, yaga, Sarah, yaga, Sarah, yaga, Sarah, yaga, Sarah, push. Kala. Tall. Back, back, back. Magalchi. Look, Sarah. So this is what it is, and this is my favorite part where I run with my dogs, especially when they are exhausted, to just know their stamina. With them actually. So now let's